Activating your sonic slider is easy, and anyone can do it. Hi, I'm Mio. I'm the Vice President of Biofield Tuning, and today I want to show you a few options of ways that you can activate your sonic slider. So here I have a sonic slider with a handle extender on it. There's a couple different ways that you can easily activate this. There's a lot of different ways you can activate it, but here are just a few. So one way is to tap it firmly against the heel of your hand. That provides a nice strong activation. We don't have to hit it like Bam Bam from the Flintstones. You don't also have to be afraid of it. Don't be afraid of the fork. Just tap it firmly against the heel of your hand, and then you can use it anywhere. A second way that you can do it is to take the sonic slider and bop it against your hip. That's another way to easily activate your sonic slider. Gives you again that same firm activation without being so little that you're not getting any vibration or so strong that you're breaking the fork. A third way that you can activate your sonic slider is to use our green striker block. So to do this, you could put it on a table, you can hold it in your hand, and you're going to hit it about this far down. So you just give it a little tap, and that's another nice strong activation with relatively little effort. Couple ways you do not want to activate your sonic slider. Do not activate your sonic slider against a crystal. No. Do not activate your sonic slider against another sonic slider. That's not good. Don't do that. Activating it against your hand, your hip, or a green striker block are very easy, simple ways to provide you with a firm, great activation that you can use anywhere on your body. Thank you.